Hi there, busy professionals. Feel like you're stuck using the same basic English phrases at work? Let's level up your communication skills in just 1 minute. Instead of saying, "Sorry, I'm not sure," try, "Let me double check on that for you." It sounds more proactive and confident. When you don't understand, swap, say again, "Please," or "Slow down, please." For "Could you elaborate on that point?" or "Could you walk me through that one more time?" It shows you're engaged and eager to understand the details. Instead of a simple yes or yeah, try "Got it, I see," or "That makes sense." This confirms you're on the same page. And when you need a moment to think, instead of just pausing, say, "Let me see ... or "Let me consider that for a moment." These small changes can make a huge difference in how you're perceived professionally. Try them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.